So this is very interesting. I'm working on a huge volcano project, and now I'm looking at the 2024 explosion and the paper that was released quite recently. And I found that 5 days ago there was this new hydrothermal explosion happened near the Biscuit Basin of Yellowstone National Park. I wanted to show you what we are talking about. So let's fly down here and see where the park is and where this black diamond pool is. And this is where we park our vehicles and we go towards the black diamond pool. And the new vents that got formed, there are 3 new vents that got formed like north of here, like right here. 3 new vents got formed in front of our cameras, quite unusual, quite different, just north of the black diamond pool, quite significant from what happened. And it also did a 61 feet fissure, basically a split that also shows up there. I'm going to show you the pictures of all that. And also a brand new boiling pool, which is 21 feet by 17 feet or 6 by 5 meters. New boiling pool, which is almost with the 80 to 100 degrees boiling water coming out of that. So if you are new to this channel, this is Ray. I post a lot of science videos. I'm an earth and science researcher. I do a lot of astronomy and earth sciences videos. If you are interested in these topics, please give me that early like and subscribe. So let's go into the details. What we found here at Yellowstone is quite unusual. We found a brand new explosion, which is hydrothermal explosion, not the lava, not the volcano explosion. This is literally in this area, which is actually, this is the largest hydrothermal explosion area on the planet Earth. And here we saw a brand new hydrothermal explosion that happened. These are common, but the thing that is uncommon for us is we usually don't predict them. For the first time in 2024, our equipment started detecting these, and we were not able to take pictures of these. Now we have cameras installed here, and now we are actually taking pictures in front of our eyes. The new thermal explosion got formed that was never there. And also we are seeing the actual geology processes of how the fissure, the split is going to happen, how a new boiling pool, the one that you are looking at, is going to get formed when this eruption is happening, hydrothermal explosion is happening. The volcano status is normal, everything is green from aviation standpoint, no risk at this moment, no one impacted. Biscuit Basin is currently closed, and we need to monitor, see how things are, and I think they might open this up again. So we are monitoring basically the current situation right now. I'll give you some details that I captured here, and I hope you are going to like this. So let me give you the timeline first so that you get an idea. What you are also looking at is the 2024 explosion. I wanted to show you how big the explosion was at that time. We were looking at the pool, the black diamond pool, and it was, basically showing all the eruption data out there. It was incredible. The footage was provided by the Joshua Cells. Thank you for providing the video there to the US Geological Survey. So we are looking at the data, the walkway, it's all, showing the eruption data out there. These are extremely dangerous, and when you can see like how violent they can be. So what we noticed now, today is June 23rd. So 10 days ago, on the June 13th, we, early in the morning, like almost like 5 o'clock local time, a small explosion happened. Basically, the seismic data and the infrasound instruments, they all registered. Now we have equipment to register this stuff, which is really good, because near the Black Diamond Pool, we know this is one of the pretty active basin. It's pretty interesting how it will actually show up the sediments that are coming out of from deep underground near the Biscuit Basin. And the field team did a basic inspection and they started noticing something really happening. The next day, everything is like showing up, like there is a big fissure that happened. It is quite significant how big the fissure was, because it's 61 feet wide. I'm going to show you the pictures as well. And the pool also started happening here. There is a huge pool, almost like 20 to 30 feet high. Spouts are happening near this pool. Quite significant what is happening here. So this is the fissure that you are looking at, the new fissure that got formed. And the spouting is also really significant. It's an amazing thing to see, like our cameras actually can record this stuff, which is very interesting. What you are looking at right now is the 3 vent groups that got formed. These are the new vent groups that you are looking at that were never there before near the Black Diamond Pool, and the 61 feet fissure that got formed as well, which is significant that we are looking at. This is the picture of how the river turned into that milky sediments that are happening there. Amazing thing to see real time, that we are watching a brand new hydrothermal explosion started happening in front of our eyes. So I wanted to show you guys what's going on here. The explosion that you are seeing is from 2024 and a combination of what happened last 5 days. So in 2024, this explosion was quite significant. It created some material that got ejected. It created a 3 to 4 meters wide crater, and it disrupted some 5 meters wide area. Right now, the explosion is smaller than the 2024, but in terms of 3 different vents got formed near this Biscuit Basin, and now we are looking at 61 feet wide split that happened, that showed up. So, and a big, huge pool. So, in terms of the natural explosion, even though it is not a thermal explosion that did happen, it showed quite a bit of signs from what is going on from deep inside. Does it mean like this is a new warning that is coming out? Not really. There is no immediate danger that we are forecasting at this moment, but it is better to keep an eye on what is happening at this pool and also at this location. This is not a small thing. This is Yellowstone. So right now I'm taking pictures of that 1997 NC1 asteroid as we speak. Right now the telescopes are pointed. Maybe in an hour or so I will start taking pictures, because it's still rising from the northeast. I tried to take a picture. It was 1 kilometer. It's really small in terms of taking a picture with our cameras. It is 6.5 times the distance from Earth to the moon. It's quite far away and also very small. It's almost like 1 pixel on the camera. I'm trying to take a picture, see if it is visible, at least on the 26, 27. Maybe it gets a little brighter, like magnitude 10. Maybe we'll get lucky and we'll take a picture, we'll see. That's what is going on right now. It's still pretty big event. That asteroid coming in here, almost like 900 meters to 1.5 kilometers, like once in 10 years that kind of an asteroid shows up. That asteroid itself is coming this close to the Earth after 400 years. It's quite a significant event. So I'll show you and share with you guys everything. Thank you everyone for watching. Please give me a hype and give me a like if you like this video. I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you.